I just got me having on me right now. I'm telling them, me live.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. Bless up. And you don't know what to thank Father God so we have life, because life are the greatest thing, and once we have life there's always hope, people. Alright, so we're gonna jump into the vlog here really quick, people. When you don't see Wagwan, very angered right now about the whole Donna situation, and this is her uncle Neil speaking out. And yeah, I did have to run that video, people, because when I actually listen to the man and Jano star, the man all get stammer upon the thing. I don't even know if him personally stammer, but you can see the man how angry the man is. And that is how enraged majority of Jamaicans are right now about the whole Donna Lee situation, people. So I have a video and everything about how the uncle feel about it. We're going to jump in there real quick. I'm going to see what go on, and then we're going to come back here and have a real conversation with people. So maybe going to stay with me on that one here, people. Maybe going to like, share, subscribe. We'll get into the video and come back right here, so people.
I just got me having on me right now. I'm telling them, me live. Yo, what you say? I don't find my niece. I don't know my niece there. And him come a court. Without it, I want to tell you something. I make you know straight. At the media house, make you know something. I come a court, yes. We're not getting a call from no police, nobody. When them charge him, them come on my yard. Superintendent Nesbitt come on my yard. Come tell me, say them charge him. And how I feel. And them come a court. And nobody no contact with. I say, send to the hospital and I'm here stand. And nobody no contact me, nobody. At the media house, make we know say I go to court. And if come a court without no representative of Donna Lee, and them grant him bail hearing, mad. Remember me tell you, Jamaica. Remember me tell you, Jamaica call up on you. We're not going to stand up and make JCF and the government deal with the people, sir. They come knees from my yard. Bill. They better put me in there.
I must say right now, I'm not feeling good about that, because first I would want to say, how can someone charged for murder, even in thought of a judge or even thought of anyone, can they really say about bail? I just want to ask that question really for, because for him to be said, he would think I've granted bail, I don't see where there's any justice we have getting. Neither from the family nor the entire public who have lost their loved one like I have lost my loved one, my niece. So therefore, I'm not feeling well about that, because he should even mention about getting bail. Now, he will think of a second about bail. He does not deserve a bail. Because my sister's right now in the hospital, I must thank her, she's coming on good. But for her not to hear this, God knows what to do to her right now, because she still wants to get her daughter body, okay? So right now, I'm not really feeling good about that.
Alright, my people, on don't see what go on, on the hear what go on, and that is just voice right now of Donna Lee auntie and her uncle. You understand? And we just have to be real. You understand? And you can't hear it in our uncle voice. He must say, yo, he must beg Jamaicans for just don't make this go so. Speak out. And if you want to check out a couple other videos when I push out about the whole Donna Lee situation, that is something what me always mediate for as well. May I ask Jamaicans, say, hey, please don't let this one get swept under the rug, like, you know, like it's nothing. Something have to come out of this. And may I go touch back on the whole Chris Townsend thing. And as I say, Chris Townsend, big up yourself, you're one big liar. But as I say, you know for know what we not deal with. That case here, a high level foolishness, bro. A foolishness, so you shouldn't all lobby upon the case. You shouldn't even depend on the case. So when this come on your table, you should have tell them for go on. you're a big liar. When you done make on food already out of the thing. So nothing wrong if you turn down a one case, especially where your sister, yo, this a foolishness. You understand? Or if you take the girl out her home and go kill the girl. And guess what? I know when you know the details I will really go down, because if not talk nothing and now y'all lobby forget bail for the man. You can't do them something there, brother. The people them are got enraged, and that are going right now. The people them enraged and fueled with anger. You understand? And I feel it 100%. And that is why I am doing what I can do, people, to get my voice out there, get Jamaican chat out there about this whole situation. Because yeah, we're not gonna just be silent about it. You understand? And all of my people them where I'll tune in and listen to that video here, maybe gonna just leave one comment down below. We could have a conversation, because I mean, maybe gonna like the video as well, because you don't know, the more like we get, and the more the video go out and other people can see it. And we can see that we're serious about this situation. Serious. Need a solution. And this bill thing where Chris Townsend a lobby for, brother, take that out of your brain. And we just hope the judge and everybody just dip on one accord and don't give me understand say there are rights even to criminals. You understand? But people this unfair. Fully. And the people them just come out and attack. These are the auntie, these are the uncle. You understand? Of Donald's people. You understand? And there's a lot of other cases making mainstream newsline. You understand? Mainstream, and you know, yeah. But people, I guess I will go jump off for the rest of the day, everybody. You don't know it's Jamaican Chat. Love everybody. Please stay safe. Continue for like, share, subscribe. I'm out.